bike and have a bit of fun today, so I'm going to change the sprockets on the little bike. Chaining sprockets, they're not necessarily critical, I'm only on 5,000, but what I want to do is I'll try and do a quick recording of the sort of rev. So say at 50 mile an hour you're doing like over 6,000 revs and you're killing it. Got no top end at all these, so I bought a lovely little selection. Got a nice new JC chain. Standard sprockets are 15 and a 45 on the back. Assume you can see that. I've got a 16, a 17 and only a 44. There is a 42 tooth, but they didn't have it in stock, so I didn't bother. But getting this in, this gets tight space wise from the chain guide. So anyway, I'll do some speed tests, get you a little update and see if we can save a few RPM at the top end, and obviously it'll be a little bit slower, but it'll be a bit of a smoother ride. Won't have to whiz through the gears so quick. Too much wind noise, so I knew that over it. This is the bike in standard settings, and I'm saying like it's the gears, you just bang through the gears so quick it's ridiculous. So I think I end up in about fourth, showing you 30 mile an hour, doing about 5,000 revs, which is quite high for 30 mile an hour. That's all of this section, just up to 30. So we'll run it on, get to the next section. You can see I'm waffling away there, but unfortunately there is wind. So next I'm going to pull out onto the fast road. So pulling out here, we get shocking sun glare. The end result is I'll get to 50 is what I'm showing you, which is my average cruising speed, and it's doing about 7,000 RPM, so it's really revving. And really, like, if you rev it out to 60, is about as fast as you ever get out of it. It's absolutely screaming it. So yeah, unfortunately I'm pointing at them. You just see each one at the end here, so you can see they're almost pointing in the same position towards the 50 and towards the 7,000. Right, a quick update. I've put just the 17 in for a minute as a test, but you'll probably have to grind the chain guard down. He will fit just on the inside of the ring, but it's very close, like a mil, so I'd probably grind a bit off of that. So we'll test the 17, and if not we'll go with the 16 and the 44 on the back. So I'll give this a quick try. I mean, that actually pulls away absolutely fine. Yeah, bike pulled away absolutely lovely. Felt like lost nothing on acceleration, and yet as I was hoping, you can actually stay in gear, and it flows much better through the gears. About to go onto the fast road again. So as we pull out again, look how much longer I stay in each gear. The fourth, I think I've probably just gone into, and I reckon there's fifth there, and then you basically saved a 4,000 RPM, maybe a little bit more than 1,000, so I'm just under 6,000 at 50. It feels a hell of a lot smoother, and I say it don't feel like you've lost anything on acceleration. Why Honda's gone higher, I do not know. It's got a bit of mid-range, now you can actually use the mid-range. It's alright, it's the thingy lights where I put it in my pocket. They'll go off in a second, Mark. Fuck it. They go off in a minute.